Yeah. This is the demand to transfer the case from a Chapter 11 to a 13. And that typically a bankruptcy judge can you can transfer it instead of just dismissing it. So I don't know what Judge Saladino did that for. And then here's the federal court. I emailed this after I spoke to Debbie and then also spoke to Giselle. And they said I could email because it's like 100 miles to drive to this federal court. I have to borrow a car. It's $4 a gallon in gas. And then they don't even have a place for you to put your cell phone. So it's just like basically a denial of access to court and just financially prohibitive. Like this is like $40 when an average person is paycheck to paycheck. And then here are all the cases that I've filed. And they were just supposed to accept it. So I called and Debbie's like, yeah, email it. Here's the thing. I go, it's just not viable. And I am a person with, a disability, and that I need accommodations via the ADA Act, Americans with Disabilities Act. And that they didn't, they accepted it. And then they emailed me like the next day or 2 days later, like, oh, we changed our mind, which isn't allowed. So here. And then here's the removed actions and how you can remove an action from state court to federal court. So the criminal or civil procedure, basically you're getting a new set of eyes to look over the same issue to compel compliance.
No, they gave you a free page.
So yeah. It's kind of like financially prohibited just having to drive and file this. And the taking of property. It requires a custodian of a person detained must respond to an application. And then notice by publication.
Press that button.
And then the request for extension of time. This is from Cornell.edu, Cornell Law. Changes made after publication.
Thank you. You too.
Then electronic service adjust in may result in reduction of time. So there is electronic service allowed. Bankruptcy procedure, the demand to extend time. filing. It's in the rules that you're allowed to. Fraudulent adoptions, state ignored evidence, and they can sue agencies for intentionally misinforming them about the child's issues. Adoption subsidy fraud. Subsidies. To reverse the adoption, to reverse the decisions, to place the assets in federal courts.